everyone. I'm just screwing up this handle now. I've drilled the holes. That was a bit of a boring feat because it takes a while. Nice. Well, that's gone beautifully. Just be careful you don't super over tighten it, you know. Feel it when it touches, and that's it. If I had my ratchet down. Which way? Okay, that's nice and plumb. I plumbed it with a level. Asked the lady where she wanted it, and it's cool. I like it. Okay, on to the next. We have this towel rail now. I'll have to suss that out. Suss that out, drill the holes. I might go for lunch first. Okay, we'll see you soon. Subscribe to Chriso. I'll get Reese the plumber. What's today? Wednesday. I'll get him in on Monday. I'll be out of here tomorrow. I've got to do that door. I've got a few things to do yet. And show you people how to do it. So that's cool. I've still got a bit of silicone to do yet, but that's easy. Easy peasy. My next mission is the heated towel rail. We'll see you soon. Woo! Hope you've learned something. I didn't want to film you. I didn't want to film me drilling holes. That's too boring. Okay, see ya.